If you're looking to integrate your bookkeeping software with your bank, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Stick around till the end for an exclusive free trial link to follow along with the software we'll be using today. First, why is integrating your bookkeeping software with your bank important? It's simple. It saves you time, minimizes errors, and makes tracking your business finances a breeze. With this integration, you won't have to manually enter transactions anymore. Instead, your bookkeeping software can pull in your bank data automatically, keeping everything in sync. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is sign in to your bookkeeping software. Once you're logged in, look for the Banking or Accounts section. Every platform is a little different, but the concept is the same. You need to link your bank account to your software. So once you're in that section, look for an option to Add Account or Connect Bank. Now, you'll be prompted to search for your bank. Here, most software will show a list of supported banks. If your bank is on the list, great, just select it. If not, don't worry. Many software platforms allow manual connection using your bank's online banking credentials or even an API key. It's a quick setup either way. Once you've selected your bank, the next step is to sign in. You'll be asked to enter your online banking username and password. This part is secure, so don't worry. After entering your credentials, you may have to authenticate your identity with multi-factor authentication, MFA, depending on your bank. Once connected, your bank account will start syncing with your bookkeeping software. This means all your transactions, deposits, payments, transfers will be pulled into your software automatically. You can categorize these transactions, reconcile your accounts, and keep everything up to date in just a few clicks. But here's something you won't find everywhere. I've tried a few of the most popular bookkeeping software options out there, and I'm offering you an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. This link is only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to grab it from the description below. Now, you might be wondering, what happens next? After connecting your bank, your bookkeeping software will automatically update with your latest transactions. You'll want to check this regularly so everything stays in sync. If you ever notice discrepancies, it's as simple as reconciling your bank feed with your books, and most software will guide you through that. Key takeaway: integrating your bookkeeping software with your bank simplifies the whole process of tracking business finances. By automating the transaction entry, you reduce errors, save time, and focus on growing your business. So, to recap, log into your software, connect your bank account, authenticate, and let your software handle the rest. It's that easy. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. Click it now to follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.